So a short discussion on coding the directed graphs. So here we have the data structure from our previous video that we coded for the undirected graph. So while adding the edges, we want to make sure that it is not undirected but a directed graph that we are developing. So how do we do that? So first of all, to add vertex, everything is going to be same. For initialization, everything is going to be same. However, in the add edges, we need to make some changes. What we want is we want the connection between vertex 1 and vertex 2, but not between vertex 2 and vertex 1. So what we are trying to do is we want to be able to reach vertex 2 from vertex 1, but we do not want to be able to reach vertex 1 from vertex 2. That is what a directed graph is, right? And the second line over here, this line, needs to be removed. And now it only makes sense to remove it from the removed edges as well. So the entire process of removing the vertex now becomes very inefficient because now I have to iterate over the entire every single adjacency list, and inside it I have to look for the elements and check if it has the vertex, and if it is there I'm going to remove it using this I dot remove vertex, and at the last I want to remove the vertex from the adjacency list altogether. So there we have it. We have modified our undirected graph code to directed graph code.